So, you think you know Iran? If your image of the country comes strictly from the evening news, you're getting a heavily filtered picture. We're about to completely shatter those Western assumptions with 10 rapid-fire realities.
Seriously, let's strip away everything you think you know and look at the actual reality on the ground, starting with a massive misconception.
First plot twist. Iran is actually not an Arab country, and they do not speak Arabic. They speak Persian, or Farsi. It's a completely distinct language with a staggeringly rich literary history going back 3,000 years.
Also, if you ever visit, do yourself a favor and keep your hands in your pockets. A thumbs up doesn't mean great job there. In Iranian culture, it's the exact equivalent of the middle finger. Tourists constantly learn that one the hard way.
Here's a logistical mind-bender for you. Official documents in Iran use 3 completely different dates simultaneously. You literally have to track the Iranian solar, the Islamic lunar, and the Gregorian calendars all printed right there on the exact same page.
Now, picture the landscape. You're seeing endless rolling sand, right? Scratch that. Just 90 minutes outside the capital of Tehran, you can actually carve through world-class snow at the Alborz mountain ski resorts.
But don't pack your winter coat just yet. A few hundred miles away, you hit the ultimate extreme. The Lut Desert once recorded a blistering 70.7 degrees Celsius, absolutely record-breaking.
Culturally, things get even wilder. Iran is the undisputed nose job capital of the world. They perform more rhinoscopy per capita than anywhere else. And those post-surgery bandages, they aren't hidden away. They're worn proudly as massive status symbols in Tehran.
That social complexity bleeds right into something called Ta'aruf, an incredibly elaborate dance of politeness. If someone offers you a gift, you must politely refuse it first. Accepting immediately is awkward, but refusing entirely is rude. It's a total psychological maze.
Oh, and you can toss your calendar app too. The work week starts on Saturday and wraps up on Thursday. Friday is the weekend. That schedule will instantly disorient any Western visitor's internal clock.
Pull all this together and you're looking at a civilization stretching back to 3200 BC. Under Darius the Great, it was the largest ancient empire ever seen. Yet, the name Iran was only adopted in 1935. Today, highly educated urbanites live just miles away from nomadic tribes in goat hair tents.
Ancient, complex, totally contradictory. Iran is an ancient superpower hiding behind a modern misunderstanding. It proves there's always way more to the story. So it really makes you wonder, what other countries has the evening news gotten completely wrong?